So, I have no internet right now. Yes, the struggle is real. But I'm still doing my best to carry on with the rest of our Mother's Day marathon. The box should be coming between tomorrow and Wednesday, hopefully. But until then, here's another beautiful graphic design tutorial just for you. This one is in real time, so kick back, enjoy the music, and a little chit chat as we go. This design was inspired by something I saw on Pinterest as per usual, and you know how much I love recreating things and making them our own around here. So let's get into it. Starting off in Elements, we're going to search for a hand with nails, as you can see. So this is gonna be the base to add some soft glam to the look. Then I'm gonna search for some letter frames, and we're using the word mom because this is a Mother's Day design after all. So of course it only makes sense, right? So once I found the letters I liked, I'm gonna place them at the bottom of the image. Now, I want the shirt part of the graphic to look like it's peeking through the letters, so just follow along with what I'm doing here, and you'll see me cropping and adjusting until it fits just right.
Yeah, it's NoveltyQueens, baby.
You know how we do it. Wait, slay. Now we rolling through. If you're down with the fan, let me hear you say, I'm done with it.
Beat drops, smooth 90s vibe.
Next up, glitter background. Keep in mind while doing this that this design is super flexible. You can use it for tumblers, keychains, tote bags, really just about anything your heart desires. So don't be afraid to use your imagination. I always take a few moments to click through different options. One, it gives you guys a chance to see what's out there, and two, it helps me to feel for the vibe I want. I also changed the canvas background to black just so you can visualize what it would look like on a black t-shirt.
It's a vibe, orders, back dreams on high. Got my girls, got my dreams. Novelty family, do big things. Step a fresh logo, bright. Manifesting, all rule the night. Busy but blessed, always on ground straight. Mindset strong, move left, move right. Breathe, manifest, move all night. Gold gym with green cash. Hot pink, hustle, we built to last. Big drops, roll with the novelty. Wait, play, slay, that's the policy. If you dine with the fam, let me hear you say, yeah, I'm done with it. Hey, I'm done with it. Catch you later. Novelty fam, we on phone buzzing, plans popping, staying soft but never stopping. Late night dreams, morning winds, building empires with my friends.
Okay, so I'm gonna be adding some large butterflies. I picked one in pink and gold because it matches my brand colors, and I think it's extremely cute and it looks very classy. After that, we're gonna search for some flower graphics. I went with pink again, but if you're feeling purple, blue, or even yellow, do your thing. The original design I saw used blues and purples, so there's room to make it yours.
Stacking faith, stacking cake, dreams get bigger every day. Stay true, stay fly, build a life we love, that's why I move left, move right. What manifest goes all night. Go vibes, gain sights, heights. Hearts can't fire, we on the night. Oh, 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 oh. Roll with the novelty. Wait, say that's the policy. If you're down with the same, let me hear you say, I'm done with it. Hey. I'm done with catch you later. Novelty fam.
Don't forget to ensure that every step of the way you go, you select and you group everything so nothing doesn't go out of place, because I know how it is to, find that right placement and then you accidentally move it by accident, and that's just that.
We're strong, stay soft, stay sharp, got the hustle in my heart. Dream it, build it, flex that art. Novelty queens, always playing snort. We ain't rushing, we just fighting, catching blessings. Me hiding, keep dreaming, stay soft. Y'all know the motto, never lost. Oh.
Last but not least, I'm tossing in a few tiny extras, some small butterflies, a couple of petals, just to sprinkle in that final bit of sparkle. My personal tip though is less is often more, but hey, at the end of the day, it's still your rules. I'm just giving you a silly little reminder to not go, overboard, unless overboard is your thing. And finally, here is your design, all done. Let me know how you guys, what you guys feel about it in the comment section. Let me know if you like this type of design, and I will be out. So as usual, keep dreaming, stay soft, and let's continue to build the life we love. I'll catch y'all later, Novelty fam.